Welcome to my new video. Today we will see how we can configure our WP Mail SMTP configuration. We will use here Gmail API for configuring SMTP in WordPress. For that we will install in called WP Mail SMTP. Sometimes our website contact form may not work or may not send email properly, and sometimes the email goes spam not in inbox. So in that case we can use SMTP configuration. For that we will install WP Mail SMTP plugin in WordPress. Let's install and activate this. The plugin has been activated. We will go to WP Mail SMTP menu. Here we can see some configuration. The default mailer is PHP. We will change it to Gmail, and scroll down. We can see one-click setup. If you are a pro user of this plugin, then you will be able to add the configuration using this option, but we are free user and we will do it manually. So for that we will go our Gmail documentation page. Here you can see the explanation of every steps. We'll scroll down and go to our Google account web app option. Here this, we will go to Google Cloud Console. We will need to Google Cloud Console, then we will need to create project, then API library, Gmail API, and then credentials, and then we will need to publish the API from testing mode. Okay, there are a few steps we will do now. We will create a new project. Click on new project. We will provide our website name. Website name, I am skipping the location or organization option. Okay, the project has been created. Now we will go to API service, or here we need to go library. Firstly we will create project, then API, then library, and from the library we will select Gmail API and then enable Gmail API. Please wait. It is taking some time to be ready. We will click on credentials, or we can click here create credentials. We can see already existing credentials here. Since we don't have, we will create new credentials. Gmail API is selected, and we will click on user data, and then the name. I am giving the name, then I am putting the email address, and then app logo. We can use this. I am skipping right now. It's the developer email address. So I am giving the email address, then save and continue. We will skip the scope, and then auth client ID web application web client 1. Okay, we can change this name. I am not changing right now. We can skip authorized JavaScript origin, but we need to put authorized redirect URLs, will be provided by the WP mail SMTP. Here we can see authorized redirect URL. We will copy this and put here, and then click on create button. You can see that client ID we can copy or download. Okay, we will see this later. Okay, here is the credential. We can see, we can download. Okay, and right now we need to do auth consent screen. After creating the credential, we need to auth consent screen. Here we need to publish this app from testing mode to live. This has been published. Okay, if we go to credentials, and we need to get the credentials, we can client ID, we need to put client ID, then client secret. Okay, successfully added. Now we need to allow plugin. We will do allow. Advanced. I don't know why that warning. Okay, you can see that remove auth connection. That means our account Gmail API has been connected properly, and now we can test an email. We can test send email. See that success. That means one test email has been sent, and we can receive that email to our inbox. So this is the process to configure WP Mail SMTP Gmail API configuration. So that's it. Thank you.